located in Dongying City, Shandong Province, China. The world's first grid-tied GW level offshore PV project. Guohua Investment HG14 Offshore PV project has a total installed capacity of 1 million kilowatts and spans a sea area of about 1,223 hectares. The offshore environment is highly corrosive, with self-particulates from evaporating sea spray. The project uses Huawei inverters featuring an IP66 rating, ensuring stable long-term performance. In November 2024, the first phase was successfully grid-connected. After 4 months of validation, its power generation efficiency matched design expectations. Upon completion, the project's annual output will reach 1,780 million kilowatt-hours, which is enough to power 2.67 million residents for a full year. It will reduce standard coal consumption by 503,800 tons annually, setting a global benchmark for offshore PV projects.